goodness, he scared me to death. He's up on the back couch that June usually is on. He's looking in. He might come through a window. Maybe I just need to let him in the garage. Okay, we're gonna go check on the chicken situation and bring Miss Millie along. Where'd she go? Here she is. We were wondering yesterday, there's a bunch of extra chickens. Then we left last week and Derek got some new ones and his chicken tractor's not quite ready yet. But it is so cold and windy today. We're having our second winter. Got some eggs in here. There's a bunch of eggs. 8 of them. A little windy around here.
Where'd Millie go?
I don't know. Here.
Oh, where's she at?
Look around this way. Can't carry a light. Are you getting tired? Well, trying to get Millie to go to the bathroom. There's a storm coming in. She doesn't like the rain. Zeus doesn't like the thunder. Rex doesn't like Zeus here. And June, what are you doing? And June, she just runs the whole show. Oh, Zeus. I know, it's just thundering. You're okay. He wants you in so bad. You're not coming in the house. He wants in the garage. He's a smelly boy. Hello, welcome back to Stokes Family Ranch. I'm Lonnie Stokes.
I'm Dan Stokes.
We are enjoying a really pretty Saturday. And Tatum just sprinted away. There's the kitty. Rex and June, they're enjoying some sunshine. I'm cleaning out my flower beds again. I've had tons of rain lately. We're getting ready to, trees are start blooming. Dan just moved our little calf into the corral because he needs a little bit more space, so he's in there with the piggies now, and he's feeling good. Dan's gonna come look. He's sprinting all over the place. There he is. He's checking the place out. He's running all around. He's like, freedom! Look at all this space you have. You already ate. It's not time for you to eat. Here he comes. What are you doing? He's like, maybe she has something for me. I don't. It's not your dinner time yet. Teach and Mom are loving it over there. They're eating all the grass. This green grass is great. Let's see Hagrid. He must be in there sleeping. Over here pulling weeds. And look, I see a teeny tiny begonia popping up. Bloom, come back. They don't all come back. Usually I replant begonias every year, but there's always one or two that'll come back, and that's always exciting. Hi, June. Begonias do well out here. They're pretty hardy, and they'll bloom all the way until our first frost in the fall, and then these bushes come back, and it's more of a short ground covering one. It'll fill this whole area. They're like this bright lime green, and then these are a version of boxwoods. we keep in here, and then usually I plant some begonias or flowering something in between. The clovers, and then these little purple things are taking over right now with all this rain. So we're gonna have to mow all these weeds soon. My rosebud is blooming. It's looking pretty. Dan's cousin was telling me the other day that he needs some dandelions because they make dandelion jelly, and then they also make honeysuckle jelly. Oh, I was like, what? What is that? I'm gonna have to try that. But look how pretty. It's such a pretty purple. Well, we need to kind of look over the situation around here too. We are supposed to have prom for 8th grade here at the end of April. And if it keeps raining like it is, I don't know how we're going to do that, because out in front of the barn is pretty wet and soggy from driving the farm trucks and stuff back and forth. So, I don't know. And Phil's been checking out things. He's wanting to get the sidewalk poured to the restrooms, our outdoor restrooms. So about this time last year, we were about 4 or 5 weeks-ish out from prom, and the guys decided, no, we don't need to rent restrooms. Let's just build us one. So that's what they did. In about 4 weeks, they built a 2-stall bathroom and got it up. So now they're thinking get the sidewalk poured before this year's, weather permitting, and I haven't told him yet, but kind of Katie and I are thinking we need a rolling backdrop built. So we're about 4 weeks out. I think we can make those things happen.
What are you doing? I think you're a little bit outmanned. Oh. No. Take time.
What's that rooster doing? Let's see. Oh, we got one black one. She's pretty. Yesterday, we moved the calf over into this big area with our pigs, and he's not loving it, so he's getting. What are you doing? He needs some baby beef, but we can't feed it to him right in here because the pigs will eat it. I know you're hungry. He had his bottle already, but he needs some more. He's a big boy. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Come here. Whoa, I want to rub it. Come on, this way. You gotta go around it. Oh, no, don't go that way. Come here. Come on. Come on. He doesn't know which one of us to follow. I know. You want something. There you go. Go get Dan. Oh. Oh, look at that one running. Okay, I'll move him into his own little area. Need to clean the water out over there. It's yucky. So muddy. There's Hagrid. Hagrid. He's like, I'm good. I got grass. Here comes Marm though. Oh, are we sure? Look, she's got some tatas hanging down. Oh, that is Peaches. Never mind. Thought it was Marm coming. She's still working on getting her hair back. Hey girl, what are you doing? Hey, we need to go get you a snack. Go need a snack? Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Here's my buddies. What are you two doing? Oh, it's cranky. June, you being cranky? Rex bothering you? Rex. Rex. Okay, let go. It's June's turn. Rex wants to hurt everything all the time. Quit.
There's a house over to that other pen.
We're gonna what?
I need to move the calf's
Oh, his
little
little.
house over to where he's at now.
He likes that little house.
I gotta take this fence down before I can do that.
You gonna take the whole thing down? It's our little petting zoo. Where's the other little pen? Or little house, I mean. We had another one. Yeah. It's really wet. Still lots of puddles around. I think it's supposed to rain some more this week.
Maybe Friday.
Maybe Friday. Maybe it'll dry up a little bit before then. There's Marm. Oh, she's gonna lay down. Takes a little bit. A lot of work to get down. Okay, I had to go change shoes. Need my boots on for today because it's nasty out here. It's getting nice and pretty and green though. Our apple trees are not quite budding yet. So a couple years ago, oh, I see a little green. They started budding about this time, and then we had a really late April frost, and we didn't get as many apples that year. So the last 2 years, it has not budded as early. So it's just now starting to see some green. It's exciting. Because she's so little and cute. I want to remember her little and cute. Look at her. She gone. Everything's so interesting. There's old Zeus. There's work being done. He shows up. Okay, come on, Millie. Oh, that was scary. Phew, that thing stinks. Millie! 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 She's real brave on this side of the fence.
see that?
What? Millie! No. Well, Miss Millie has been in the family for a week and a couple days now. And she seems to be adjusting. She's liking this pretty day. I think Dan likes her too.
Like her or the pretty day?
Both.
I guess.
Yes, yeah. I think you're friends. What do you think?
Jury's still out.
Oh, whatever. He loves her. They're buddies. They keep hanging out together. She likes to snuggle with old Dano.
Maybe just a little bit.
Yep. She's not so bad. She's a cute little thing. Think we'll keep her. What do you think?
Yep. I think we'll keep her.
You know, we don't have lots to show this week. Just a little bit. We have a few videos from the end of spring break, and then just a little bit today. But oh, she's done. She's done with me. But we are heading to watch Titus play some basketball later. He's kind of ready to start playing again. He's had about a month off, a little over a month.
Yep.
And Tatum start back up soon too with her team. So go watch some basketball this evening, and that's about it. The background's supposed to be pretty tomorrow too. So get some stuff done tomorrow and Monday. Hopefully we just keep having warmer days.
Yes.
We're ready. Anything else going on?
I don't know. Can't think of anything.
Nothing too exciting. So
Which is good.
yeah, that's true. So we will catch you guys later. We hope you have a great weekend.
See ya.
Yeah. Keep going. Got some cows in the yard this morning. Happy Monday. Thank goodness for good neighbors. Guess they ran some others already in and closed the gate out by the road. And now this gate was open. Hopefully that's all of them. Titus, we need to check that gate down there. The other gate down by the house. Oh, there's footprints everywhere.